Hello everyone, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying our online classes. So today's class is little bit different for you, that in today's class we are going to discuss about some calculations. You know that in mathematics there are 4 basic operations. What are the 4 basic operations? The 4 basic operations are addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. Addition, what we are doing? In addition, we are putting the items together. In subtraction, what we are doing? In subtraction, we are taking away some items from something, and what is remain, that we are calculating. In multiplication, we are actually avoiding repeated addition, that's why we are multiplying. So, etc. In this class, we are going to discuss few properties or few addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, but in different manner. I will give you some question unsolved. You have to answer it in my comment section. And the questions are very interesting. The questions are very easy also. So, just observe the full class. Okay? Before starting the first question, I have to tell you that you will get 60 minutes for each question and you will get the option also. I will not help you. I will just recapitulate the lesson or the properties, and from there you have to collect the answer. Like first question, if we change the order of addition, means the position of addition, the sum will option A change, option B not change, and option C increase by 1. I have shown here on one example that what the question is asking you. For example, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 and 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. That means the position has changed. Now you have to give the answer. I have already given the answer in the next question, second number question. It is also very interesting. First of all, let me read the question properly. What number should we add to a number to get the sum double of the given number? What number should we add to a number to get the sum double of the given number? That means the question is asking to you, for example, what I have written, 56 plus question mark equals to 2 into 56, means double of the given number. So what should we add? Option A 0, option B 1, option C the number itself. So what we should add to get the double of the given number? Give the answer in my comment section. Again, it's our third question and it is very interesting question. Use greater than or less than or equal to compare the numbers. The numbers are given here like this way. 55 minus 29 dash 12 plus 24. Means in the left hand side it is written 55 minus 29 and in the right hand side it is written 12 plus 24. Now you have to compare these two subtraction and addition. Means first in left side it is subtraction, so you subtract it first, then what number you are getting, what difference you are getting, first you write down this, and after this you have to add up these two numbers. After adding, if you get the same number then it will be equal, if you get the more number then it will be greater than, and if you get less then it is less than. So it's also very interesting question. It is our fourth number question. Look at the pattern of addition and find the missing number. So here one pattern is given. You have to find out first the pattern. Pattern means rule. A rule which is following here, you have to find out first. Then you have to find out the missing number. You know that where is the missing number? The missing number is in the top. So you have to find the top topmost number here, and the options are also given, and you can check it that whether your answer is correct or not from the option also. Option A 24, option B 23, option C 27. So what will be your answer? Give the answer in my comment section. So do it first. Now the next question, it is also very important and easy question. It is based on the property of multiplication. So let us recapitulate one property, that is, if we multiply a number by 0, then what we will get? We will get 0. If we multiply a number by 1, then what we will get? The number itself. So these are the two properties used here, and you have to compare using equal, less or greater sign. So 456 into 0 dash 567 into 1. So what you can put in the blank? Option A equal, option B greater than, and option C less than. So here you have to answer it. First of all, the properties you need to know very well, that if we multiply a number by 0, then we will get 0. Now it is our 6th number question. What is to be multiplied to 17 to get 153? Option A 8, option B 9, and option C, it will be C, option C 19. So please make the correction. It will be option C 19. Make the correction. And the hint is also given that do the opposite process. You know that addition's opposite operation is subtraction. The opposite operation of multiplication is division. So for this type of question you have to do the opposite process. That means I think you have understood. I will not tell you that what you have to do here, because several times we have done this type of sum. So now it's time for practice. So you have to give the answer. What is to be multiplied to 17 to get 153? Options are also given, and the last option will be C option. Please make the correction. Now 7th number question. If we divide any number by 0, what we will get? If we divide any number by 0, then what we will get? Option A 0, option B the number itself, and the option C is undefined. So find out the answer and give the answer in my comment section. If we divide any number by 0, then what we will get? What number we will get? We will get 0, or we will get that number only, or we will get undefined. What we will get? Give the answer in my comment section. Number question. Which is incorrect? Which is incorrect? Read the question very carefully. Which is correct? If I ask that which is correct, then if you read the first option and if it is correct, then you give the answer, and at the end you will check that it is not the right answer, because here the question is different. The question is given that which is incorrect, means which is not correct. Option A 345 plus 123 equals to 123 plus 345. Option B 45 divided by 9 equals to 9 divided by 45. C 127 into 7 equals to 7 into 127. So choose the correct option here, means here which is incorrect. The properties which is incorrect, that you have to find out. If you know the properties, you can easily give the answer. The 9 number question, look at the number puzzle and find the missing number. See, it's called a magic triangle, but no need to find like that way. No need to see like this way. You have to find out that what operation is applying here. We are applying which operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? So first of all, see, it's a triangular shape, and in the vertex position the numbers are there like 6, 12 and 14, and the middle place in the circle it is written 18 and 20. The one more circle is there which is not given, means which you have to find out. So what will be the correct answer? Option A 26, option B 36 and option C 16. So find out the answer. How you will find out, that I will not tell you, because it's a number puzzle. It is our last question. Divide and write the quotient and remainder. See, 1001 divided by 100. So here you have to divide 1001 by 100, and you have to write quotient and remainder. See, I have mentioned q by quotient by q and remainder by r, capital R. So I have used it, and in the option I have written first option q equals to 10, r equals to 1. Option B, q equals to 1, r equals to 1. Option C, q equals to 101 and r equals to 0. So now you have to find out that what will be the answer. What will be the answer? So this is the question, and you have to find out the answer. I know that you can do it very well. You can use the method of division, and you have to do it, or you can use the checking rule of division also for this question. So this is your homework. You will get it from our school website, and you can download it, and then you will answer the 10 questions are there, so you have to answer it and practice it. So till then, bye bye, take care.